You know, the risks of any large, complex ERP migration or even upgrade project are pretty well known, frankly, in the industry. These are the kind of things that sometimes unfortunately, make media headlines. The failures of ERP implementations or migrations. And the reason for that is there's so much that needs to be accomplished during that. No company just wants to change a platform and, after 18 months, 24 months, fire the thing up in production on Monday morning, and there's really no difference to the business, right? That's a lot of time and expense and challenge that doesn't bring any kind of real benefits. So what actually introduce risks are the most important parts of the project, and that is, what do I want to do differently? And as soon as you start to change what you want to do, you're looking at your customizations, the things that you either are going to retain or rewrite or replace or retire. Those are important decisions to make. And so when an ERP replatforming project goes on, it's critical to understand what outcomes you want to come from it, and then to assess whether or not that risk is worth it. As an alternative, is it possible that without replatforming or migrating or upgrading the core ERP, what you really want to accomplish is something in and around it? Do you want a different user experience? Do you want some more automation? These days, do you want to use some AI agents to help decrease the effort, increase the productivity of your teams doing whatever task they need to do? That's real change. That's real transformation that, without migrating or upgrading the core ERP, can be accomplished at a far lower risk. At Rimini Street, we call that transformation without disruption. And that's something we'll explore a little bit later in another video.